Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to set the sleep timer on your JSW TV. Alright, so sleep timer means, for example, I think I'm gonna fall asleep. If that's the case, in the next 10 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, whatever it is, you don't want the TV to be on all night or all the time to waste power. So you can actually set your sleep time. Let me show you what to do. Go to settings. Alright, seeing it has to do with a timer, it's under time. Next, you're gonna go down, and there you go. Down here you should see the option that says sleep time. It's the last option on the page. So on the remote, hit over or to the right and it will move. So 15 minutes sleep time, 30 minutes, an hour. It goes all the way to 240 minutes, or you can turn it off. Let me select 120. All you gotta do is select and hit the home button or return home, and what's gonna happen is that it's gonna do its thing, and when the time elapses it's gonna count down and it should shut off. In case you change your mind and you don't want it anymore, the time, go back into the options, go down, notice it was 120, now it's saying 119. If you go back it will reset, but I'm gonna hit off, and by hitting off what's gonna happen is it's gonna stop the timer, and that's how you set the sleep timer on these JSW TVs. See you in the next one guys, bye.